Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be showing you the review for this Dreo Tower Fan. As you know, the summers are coming, so let's gonna unbox this beast. So this fan I have purchased from the Amazon, and not the less to say it's the most selling fan on Amazon these days. Let's check it out how it goes through. The fan has this booklet. Yes, this one is the base and this is the whole body of the fan. So let's assemble it right now. So let's just put it out of the covers. Here you go. First one. And there's the second one. It looks nice and good. Now let's remove some unusual stuff here. So now let's assemble the fan. So first we have to go by the base. So just interlock it by twisting it here. So these two should go in together. So now these are interlocked and the base is ready for the fan. Now the next thing is to just pass this wire from here inside the base. And here is our fan. So we have to pass the fan through like this and make sure it is locked, and then we have to twist it. So you can see here, as you can see, the click sound just came in. So now it is confirmed that the fan is locked, and you can completely pass on the wire from here or both the ends. So suppose and the wire comes directly to this. So it looks pretty clean to install it. And right now our fan is completely installed and ready to use. So let's go with the next part. So just remove these blue tapes first, and then we will just plug this into the electrical panel. So the fan comes with a remote. I have plugged it on. So let's start it. So the fan comes with this remote. I have already plugged it in. Now just remove this from the remote and let's go and start the fan. It's giving so much good air for the summers. Let's see if it has different modes. You can also mute this. If you don't like this sound, you can mute this and you can, now the sound is not coming. And if you unmute this, the sound is still coming. So it has 4 powers and you can click on this and it can swirl as well around the room. If you want to stop it, you can just click on that again. You click on timer, you can set the timer how much you want the fan to run. I don't want it right now, so I just don't want it. So you can, there are a couple of modes: the night mode, the full fan mode, the eco mode. So whatever mode you choose, it's completely up to that. But the fan, it's really powerful. It has a lot of good modes, and I think my summer is going to be good these times. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment box, and see you in the next one.